Hi. So some of you might notice that when you double click on, let's say, tables or queries in Microsoft Access, you notice that it doesn't. So I have this is clicked on query 2 and then I click on query 3. Now I want them to be in tabs. That way I can navigate from one to the other. Now it is not really friendly here. So to fix this, I will need to go to File and then Options, and then under Current Database, where it says Document Window Options, here it says Overlapping Windows, and that's exactly what is happening here. So we want it to be tabbed documents, so I can just say OK, and then must close and reopen. Okay, so now I will just close and reopen. So this is the same file, so I'll just click on it again. Now you see that it is in tabs. So I hope this helps, and I will see you soon.